Good morning, Research Medical Center. I'm Julie Filbeck, your Chief Nursing Officer, here again with another edition of Stroll with your Nurse You Know. Today, I have Claire. Claire, you want to introduce yourself to the team?
Sure. Good morning. My name is Clare Mitchel. I currently work in the Neuroscience ICU. I have been there since December of 2021. And before that, I worked on cardiac telemetry for a year.
Awesome. All right, Claire, you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Okay.
Let's stroll.
First question for you. I'm going to make it super easy. What's your favorite go-to takeout food?
Oh gosh. I really like Papoose. It's a Mediterranean restaurant and a gas station.
And a gas station.
Yeah. Yes.
Tell me the name of that again.
Papoose.
I am learning so much.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got to figure that out. Okay, so I love that. Okay, who is your go-to for IVs? Like you can't get it, you got to have somebody else get it in. Who's the go-to?
Probably Amanda Ripple. She has gotten really good with the ultrasound too.
That skill, I love that. Awesome. Okay, so if you had an opportunity to tell the younger version of yourself, just starting fresh in nursing school, what you know now, what advice would you give yourself back then?
Probably to just give myself some grace, not be so hard on myself, and that things will get better. I will become more confident in my abilities, and just to give it time.
You know, we meet with our nurse externs on a monthly basis, right, that are going through nursing school, and that is one of the things that we try to tell them so often, because I think we all have this thing that we have to be experts day one, and by the way, none of us are.
Everybody started there at some point.
And it's good for all of us to remember that too. So I love that. Thank you. Okay, so tell me this. Who always has your back in the department? Like, you know, when things are crazy, you didn't even know you needed help, but somebody's like swooping in and always taking care of you.
Allie Slater.
Oh, I love Allie. Yes.
She is my ride or die in Neuro ICU.
That's
She's always checking up on me.
I love that. Okay, so tell me, who is your favorite department to collaborate with outside of Neuro?
I love getting floated to MICU or SICU. I really love the teamwork over there, and it's good to mix it up every once in a while. I've gotten to know the charges pretty well over there over the last couple years, and they always are very welcoming whenever I get floated.
Awesome. I love that. So shout out to MICU SICU on that. Okay, so tell me a little known fact about you.
A little known fact. I have ridden my bike across Iowa 5 times.
Like intentionally?
Yes.
That is fascinating. That is fascinating. How long does it take you to do that?
It's a week. So it's called RAGBRAI. So we camp for 7 days and ride for 7 days.
So cool.
Yeah.
I love that. Are you from Iowa?
I was born in Iowa, but I've lived my family's from Kansas City, but we lived there for like 3 years when I was young.
I think that is fascinating. Okay, all right. Well, thank you for sharing that with me. Okay, how about one final question before we get to the end here? Beach or mountains? What's your go-to?
Mountains.
Mountains, love it. Okay, all right. So we've made it to the coffee shop, but before we go in, here's my final question for you. What do you love about Research Medical Center?
I love how much I have learned from our patient population. I really enjoy getting to interact with the patients and their family members.
That's awesome. I love that. Claire, thank you so much for your time. Let's go in and get some coffee for you, okay?
Yeah.
These are my coffees for this morning. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
Thank you so
Ice,
much.
is that the right one for you? All right, Claire, you survived strolling with your Nurse You Know this morning.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.